It is time to buy some YYAI. That's right, my friends. I am once again bullish on YYAI, a stock which I was previously critical of, and rightfully so. If we go over here and we take a look at the chart, you realize that, oh shit, well, this guy kind of had a point. I am now once again bullish on. Now, in today's video, we're going to see YYAI under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing callus breakdown. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis. The where, so guys, where to get in and where to get out, and why I'm going to be buying YYAI soon. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button now. Let's get to work. So when it comes to YYAI, why am I bullish? It's simple. It comes down to the why, right? The why and the what kind of go hand in hand. This is simple. What is it? What is so simple about it, Sam? Is that trends repeat themselves, okay? And there is a consistency in pattern as to how YYAI has previously traded, meaning that it's going to do so once again. Now, the reality is that, history doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes, okay? So what does that mean? Let me go over here. We realize, why has YYAI previously ran, right? Why does it take which has previously managed to give us such volatility in the past? I'm talking massive pumps followed by massive dumps, followed by massive pumps, 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 followed by massive dumps over and over and over again. What the hell's going on here? What is going on, right? Did it have a catalyst every single time? Like, what's really happening? I'll tell you what it was, okay? I'll keep it simple. I'll keep it easy. China. Is Chinese. It is a Chinese pump and dump stock. That's it. Now, this is the beautiful thing about these pump and dump stocks. Okay, let me tell you what the beautiful thing about it is that they do magic. They work like magic. When there's a pump, you bet your best dollar there's a dump coming. When there's a dump, you bet your top dollar there's a pump coming. One of the most profitable strategies has been averaging in to these trashy tickers over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Because when you average in, this is what happens. You get the average of the downside. Then when the stock pumps to the upside, voila, you made a lot of money. We did the exact same thing when it comes to BQ, right? BQ, we take a look at BQ. Okay, let's go to BQ. Now it's freaking dead. But when it gave us this pump, I came out and I made a video. I said, hey, listen, stay away from this shit stock. Okay, wait for it to dump, then average in. Then let's say you average in from $13 all the way down to $7. So your average ends up being $10 a share. Guess what? It ripped all the way to 56. Congratulations. Congratulations. Simple and easy. Simple and easy. Now, when it comes to YYAI, where should you average in? Where's it going to bounce from? Well, here's one of the things that I like about YYAI. Okay, is that they just had a 1 from 50 reverse split. Now, when a company has a reverse split, this is what happens. A very unique thing happens. The float gets squeezed, okay? Not from a short squeeze perspective, but gets squished. There's now way less shares available to the broader market. So let's take a look at how many shares is available right now. Right, because at the end of the day, the stock market is what, my friends? The stock market is supply and demand. So the company right now has 18 million shares at $1 each, $1.30 each, putting its market cap at $25 million. 25 million bucks, that's nothing. That's nothing. That's a very volatile ticker. That's a micro cap. So this is what you need to understand, is that this is a ticker which for any reason can pop up to the upside. However, its downside, it's probably more likely than not, it could be heading all the way down to the $1 levels. $1. You heard that right, the $1 levels. So this is what you're going to do. You're not going to go all out, guns out, gung-ho and buy everything all at once. No. You're going to average in. Average in. Buy a little bit today, buy a little bit tomorrow, buy a little bit today, buy a little bit tomorrow, buy a little bit today, buy a little bit tomorrow, buy a little bit today, buy a little bit tomorrow, buy a little bit today, buy a little bit tomorrow. As this stock's going down, you're going to get the average of the downslide. Then when it gives us a pump, like it has previously, bing, you're going to sell for profits. Congratulations. Sam's your uncle. You made money. Take care. That's it. That's what you're going to do. That's what you're going to do. That's how you're going to play these Chinese pump and dumps. That's how you're going to make money. Okay? That's the only way to play these Chinese penny stocks. I'm telling you right now, man, there is no, you could play them from a day trading perspective. Yes, once the break comes. But the reality is that when the break comes, you're not going to be able to sell fast enough because these breaks come so fast. I mean, look at this. If you look over here, right? The stock went from 140 to 357. Again, these are reverse split adjusted pricing, so it never really went from 3. It never was at 130, right? It's just reverse split adjusted. So it went from 150 to 357. If we go on a 1 minute chart, I promise you that move happened probably in like 2 minutes. Let's see if we can find it. It's kind of far to go all the way there, but I mean, look at these moves, right? From 4 to 485, 20% move. That's just a 20% move. That's nothing crazy. But look at this. From $7 to $11 in 1, 2, 3, 4, in like 20 minutes. And then back down to 7 again. Let's go to a 5 minute chart. 1 minute chart is kind of crazy. Over and over again. I mean, you see these pumps and dumps. You see these pumps and dumps. Now, obviously, the chart kind of looks like it's barcoding right now because we're in a 5 minute chart and it's a little bit odd. But look at this, right? This is what I was talking about. This is a 5 minute chart. Okay, this is literally 5 minute candle. Opened at 200, went to 357. This is what you're dealing with, okay? So that's my take when it comes to Yyai. Now listen, if you're tired of losing, okay? If you're tired of getting your ass whooped in these markets, I got good news for you guys. Right now, our private community is on a 50% sale for the next 10 members that join for our Black Friday event. Give it a shot. Give it a shot. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. We give you everything, okay? We give you everything. We give you day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access, Q&A, freaking dividend stocks, crypto alerts, you name it, we got it. We have over 7 analysts which have more experience in the markets than I have been alive. So don't think you're joining for my alerts. What the fuck do I know? Well, I know a thing or two about a thing or two, but the people that are in the community, they are better than me. That's why they're there. Okay? I'm the face. They're the background. Okay? Now, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what our alerts look like. We give it a ticker, we give it an entry, we give it an exit, we give it a stop loss. We also tell you how many shares to buy in your portfolio. Let's say you have a 50K account. We give you everything. So we use the sizing as a 10K account, okay? So let's say you have a 50K account, you buy 5 times this amount. Let's say you have a 100K account, you buy 100 times this amount. Let's say you have a 50K account, you buy 5 times this amount. Let's say you have a 30K account, you buy 3 times this amount. Simple and easy. There's a reason why people are coming back. It's simple, because they're making money, okay? Not because I'm so funny and handsome and humble. It's because they're making money, right? When we go over here, previously, back in the day, we used to do a 7-day free trial, okay? Read what Wilson said. Wilson said, "Hi, Sam. Thank you for our work in our community. My 7 days trial finish was great. I thank you for the membership. 7K in 7 days. We're no longer doing a 7-day free trial. You know what we do now? Now we do a 2 weeks free trial, 14 days free trial, and a 30 days money back guarantee. 30 days money back guarantee. Let's jump to present day. You know, you guys can pause it and read these. This is literally from the option class which we offer in our community. But read this last line. "Thank you, Sam, for creating an opportunity for newbies like me who didn't know a damn thing about the stock market to have access to professionals like you and AG Racing and millennials to show me, these are some of the mentors, to show me the way. I will be forever grateful for you guys. I can now make money instead of losing money in the stock market. You guys rock. I appreciate you guys." 4K, 800, 2 point. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Did I say much thanks for their guidance? Nice wins all option course. Bang. Also, thanks for assembling such an amazing group of mentors. We've been crushing it, man, day in, day out. In fact, literally today, my man, I know you hate, I know you're Robin Hood Sam, but first day here for, thank you so. Maybe pause and read this, okay? I can't read for shit, but let's see over here, general chat. Gary Kwong says, "I would like to say a big thank you before joining this Discord in September 2025. I lost most of my profit in trading Ocean Pal. After that, I watched your video and learned from it. The current profits are sufficient to cover the monthly fee for at least 2 years. My strategy is simple that..." Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, listen, I'm not gonna go through every single message, okay? Because your head's gonna spin. But you know, we'll read a couple more. Start at 4K this month plus $300 for today, from 4K to 5.7K. Over here, my man says, "Thank you, Bullpick. Bullpick is another mentor for helping me recover my previous big loss." We give you everything, man. Entries, exits, everything. Okay. And this is the last one I want to read, okay? Granny Slayer says, a couple years ago, I was down in the trenches, absolutely beyond fucked, made every single mistake in name and wouldn't learn from it. Lost way more than I could afford and was so close to giving up. Decided to give it one last chance and find mentors. Now I'm almost back to the green with the help of Sam and everyone else. Words can't describe it, but Sam, you helped me way more than you could know. Thank you so much for all the other shot callers. The robbing account is my own doing. Really don't know what the fuck I was doing. They moved my account and started when joining the server. Truly less server. So this is himself. This is him with us. Give it a shot, man. Give it a shot. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Next 10 members, 50% discount. If you can't afford a free trial, okay, you don't deserve success. That's all I gotta tell you. Okay? You know what? It's that simple. I said it. No one's gonna tell you that. I said it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a sense of trading. Remember, don't give up, don't quit. Why? Because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.